Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So it's a weekend. I hope you all are having fun. So to why are we here for the video for the weekly consolidated report on how our performance has been over the week. So guys, if you want to check out of all our trades, this is our website watanabe.in. If you click on the Watanabe Trading Journal, you will get access to all the videos along with the trading journal. If you click on this, you'll get an Excel sheet and you can make a copy like how I've made a copy and I can edit it however I want. So we are here for the 28th July. So last week we were up 5% when Nifty was only up 2%. So the overall financial year, it's a very good news. We're up 24% when Nifty is down minus 3%. So over the last week, we have made 11,300 rupees in weekly options. And the overall for the financial year stands at 50,034. This is apart from the charges. We have not done that good in the cash market, but 338 we were positive last week, but overall we are down minus 2,792. So the number of trades that we have taken last week were 26, and our win rate and our wins are 15, and our win rate stands at 57.7. So these are all the trades that we have taken. Let's move on to where our beta stands and other things. So beta stands at 0.65 and our alpha weekly is at 1.54 and our Sharpie ratio has increased from 0.2 to 1.54. We're hoping it will increase to 2 in upcoming weeks. So we'll have to watch out for that. And our R square stands at 0.06. So in the month of July, we've made around 22.8% overall. So this was all about how our performance has been over the last week. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watnabe.in. Have a nice day.